Hello guys, today is the last day of our acrylic painting challenging 4th day. So guys, the painting that I will make today is a painting of a pond. It will be very easy. If you follow step by step, you can do it still at home. So without further ado, let's start the video guys. So guys, first of all we will do everything in sky blue color. Then we will gradually mix white color. Now we will color the middle and bottom with Persian blue. So friends, how did you like the painting? Tell me in the comments. And which drawing do you like very much in these 4 days, and what kind of drawing? You tell me in the comments. I will try to bring you more new videos like this. And what kind of painting can I bring for you? You tell me in comments. Guys, please support me. I really need your support guys. Please support me and subscribe the channel guys. Then we will now make the leaf of the lotus flower. Now we will make the lotus with white color. Then guys, we will take the white color and make it like a wave down under the flower to give a water effect. So guys, our drawing is complete.